Hi, what's up? Welcome back to Cook Love Dil Se. Today, we are going to share another exciting recipe with you. This is fish tandoori. It is an Indian recipe, and I am using freshwater Bhetki fish over here. You can use pomfret, salmon, or any other fish with less bones. Add curd, around 2 tablespoons. A little bit of chili powder depending on your taste. Turmeric, around a teaspoon will do. Tandoori masala is a must. Add 2 teaspoons of it. This is readily available in the market and is a major taste enhancer. Then a little bit of salt according to your taste, 1 teaspoon pepper, half a lemon's juice. This will bring in the tangy flavor. Mustard oil, 2 teaspoons. Mustard oil really gives a good flavor to the fish. Mix the ingredients well with the fish. Make sure you put the mixture well in the slits you made earlier and inside the gills of the fish. Marinate the fish for around 30 minutes. You have to preheat the oven. Place the marinated fish on the baking tray carefully such that you don't break them. Now we are going to broil the fish. For that, we are going to put the fish on the top rack of the oven. Then set it to broil for 10 minutes each side. The fish should be cooked by then. Don't forget to like and share our video and subscribe to our channel. If you like our recipe, then hit the bell icon for more mouth-watering recipes. Thanks for watching. I have added the ingredients and the measurement in the description box below.